Hi, my name is Rudy. I'm down here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon, home of the #1 premium pre-owned dealership in the nation. Here to show off the 2014 Thor 31F Class C. We'll walk around the exterior and go inside. So this is built on the Ford chassis. You're going to have a Triton V10 inside. Down here we have our mirrors here, access point here, nice little step up. In the mirrors, built in each one, is going to be a turn signal camera, a great safety feature. Down here is going to be our exhaust for our generator. Down here as well is going to be our generator, and it's a 4,000 Cummins gas generator that will run directly off your gas tank. This is our slide out. We have two on this side. Both of them are going to have a slide topper. We have an exterior shower here. This is going to be the cover for your water heater. Back over here is going to be where you're going to have your gray and black tank flushes. Easy to access, and it's nice because it has a hole there, so you just put it right through if you're at a permanent campsite where you want to have it set in. Over here is going to be your 30 amp plug-in. It's already ready to go. And here's a good place to put your sewer hose. Just pull that out. You can see the sewer hose is already in there. This is a nice little great feature. Backup camera right here. And it does come with a storage compartment already in here, and get a view of that inside. It is not small. Access point with the ladder to get on the roof. Go up there, hang out, go up there, clean it off, put solar panels, whatever fits your lifestyle. Back here we have a nice big storage area. You can put the kids in there, you can put the bikes in there, you can put anything you want in there. Again, line down here. Both of these areas are extremely easy to clean up because there is no carpet in there. We do have a power awning here. Push of the button. Not out there cranking it anymore, having to worry about losing that little hook. Access point for your fridge is going to be here, and this is going to be your furnace exhaust. Two 110 plugs. Do your margaritas or whatever you want to do. Over here we do have exterior speakers. It is for the TV, but we're going to leave a little sizzle for when you come in and let you see that when you come in. Right here, another access point, again, not lined. Over here is going to be your propane hookup. Easy to fill up. Just drive up to the gas station, they'll take care of you. Let's go inside. You do have an outside light and a great access bar right here to help you get in. And interior as well, there is one. So wait till you feel how massive this is when you come inside. Because of the slide out, look at all the extra space in here. We do have dinette booth here, collapses down, turns into a sleeping area. Big overhead bunk. The nice thing is it does flip over, gives you easy access to the driver and the passenger seat, meaning it's easy to get in and out. There's going to be your LED screen for your turn signal cameras, as well as your backup camera, which we went over outside. Very smooth drive. We'll come over here. This is solid surface countertops. You do have the expandable countertop spaces there that goes down, makes a nice big pathway there. We do have 4 drawers here. I did say 4. Another one down there. Over here as well, you got a little bit more storage underneath there. Put a pot, put a pan, whatever you need. Now, dual sink here as well. Wash on one side, rinse on the other side. More storage up there. And then look at the size of this microwave. It's bigger than the one I have at my house. 3 burner stove, oven down low. What more can I tell you? We do have a fridge over here, separate freezer door, additional storage up here, additional storage here for all your cereals, your dry goods, all your canned stuff that you want to bring. Whatever fits your lifestyle. Thermos control is going to be here, and all your controls are going to be here as far as black tank levels, gray tank levels. Even your slide extend is going to be here as well. And then one thing that you can see behind me, which is just, it takes my breath away, is amazing, is all this natural light that comes in from these big windows. Typically you're just going to have a solid wall here. Doesn't really give you that natural light. And you do have pull down screens there as well. Now, this is great for when you have the kids. Close off this, close it off. Access point for them to the bathroom, access point for you to the bathroom. so no one's getting interrupted. You do have the toilet right there. Very good for a taller gentleman, taller lady that needs the leg room. Very well put together. As we go through here, you will see that we do have additional storage as well for all your linens, for all the stuff you want to bring. Big shower as well. Plenty of space. Sink's going to be here, and a big medicine cabinet with a mirror. Let me check out my hair. It is looking good. Perfect. Now over here, we are going to have a stereo as well, DVD that's going to be connected to the TV here. Queen walk around bed. Major storage all the way around with, if we can get him to catch up here. I'm sorry guys. Storage as far as for clothes on each side. So two closets, 3 deep drawers, and 2 additional down low. You do have plugins next to on your nightstands, which is big for charging your phones, sleep app machines, whatever you need it to do. And you do have a fan out here to keep you cool during the summertime. Please give us a call at Johnson RV. Ask for Rudy or any other of my sales associates. We're a big family here at Johnson RV, and we're happy to get you on the road.